guys, welcome back to I Bet You Didn't Know. Did you know that the milk of a hippopotamus is pink? My name is Aaminah and here are 10 incredible facts about the Vikings I bet you didn't know. Let's go! The Vikings came from Scandinavian countries like Norway, Denmark, and Sweden. They became known from the 8th century through to the 11th century for being brilliant warriors and smart traders. Vikings were excellent boat makers as their powerful boats were of great importance to their invasions and conquests. 60 people could fit in a boat and depart and return directly on land. The Vikings played many sports. One of the sports they played involved hitting a ball with a stick, similar to hockey. During the 9th century, 2 Vikings graffitied their names in the ruins of Hagia Sophia, and these carvings have survived and are still viewable currently in Istanbul. Despite common thoughts of the Vikings being brutal, dirty men, they would actually show off their wealth with silk clothes and fancy jewelry. Vikings were very active in the slave trade. They would capture and enslave both women and men while raiding different areas. These slaves were then sold across Europe and the Middle East. The Vikings had unique funeral ceremonies. When a prominent Viking died, they would give them a grand funeral service where they would lay the body on a boat with their clothes, animals, and jewelry and set the boat on fire. The boat would then be pushed out to sea. The Vikings were strong and brave people, and so they valued their physical strength greatly. If any of their children got sick, they would abandon them by either leaving them in the wilderness or throwing them into the sea. While most people think that Vikings made their living by raiding places and killing people, in reality, those were just a small number of people. Most Vikings actually lived peacefully as farmers and they grew crops like barley and oats. The Viking age ended as the raids reduced because they were no longer profitable. They ended up settling in the different Scandinavian countries. Let us know how many of these facts you knew and comment anything that you would like to add. Stay tuned for another episode of Fun Facts I Bet You Didn't Know. Bye!
There's always something new at ToffeeTV. Like and share tons of videos. Subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell.
Toffee.